This is a Pontiac Montana 2007, and it's even an oil, low pressure oil, and the sensor's just above the oil filter, right before the starter, just up in there. So I don't know. We'll see if I have to remove the starter or if I can just reach up there. So I was able to get off the connector. It's a 3-pin connector, and just by using a screwdriver, there's this little tab that's on the, and I just put the screwdriver in there, pried it up, and then pull it out. So to remove the starter has basically 2 bolts, and I'm just leaving it hanging here, and I took off the sensor. So now let's grab this sensor here, and I'll just hand thread it in. Okay, let's hand thread it in. So to get at the sensor, what I had to do was I had to remove my starter. To remove the starter, there was this little plate right here that has 3 screws, 15 millimeter, 1, 2, 3. When that comes off, there's this little plastic little protector, I guess, so that water doesn't get into the crankshaft for the starter, and that was 10 mil on the side. That comes off. You take off these 15 mil, and the starter comes out, and then that will give you space so that you can get to the sensor, and the sensor's way up in there, right at the top of the oil filter, just at the right, and this using a special tool to take that off. And yeah.